आम्ही असेंब्लीन एक डेटा मागलेलो अबाउट द क्रायम रेट्स इन गोवा फ्रॉम 2023 to 2025. Total in the year 2023, आमकडे data हा, which is a assembly data, 952 crimes. Total, that is murder, attempt to murder, rape, dacoity, all those crimes, 952 for the year 2023, of which 752 crimes are by migrants, which is amounting to 78% of the total crimes. In 2024, 936 crimes, of which 816 by migrants, amounting to 87% of the crime rate. In 2025, that is up to June 2025, 540 crimes till June, of which 446 crimes are by migrants. This is the government data, which is amounting to 82.5%. This statistics is more than enough to suggest maximum of the crimes are by migrants in Goa.
गोवा इज अ व्हेरी सेफ स्टेट. जर अशें कितें क्रायम घडटा जाल्यार त्या क्रायमाक चॅक घालपा खातीर, बूक करपा खातीर अक्युज्डांक क्रॅक करपा खातीर ह्यो केसी यंत्रणा सामकी कमिटेड आसा. आनी हें हांव म्हणटा आसतना आय विल टेल यू स्टॅटिस्टिक्स ऑफ एज रिवील्ड इन डिसेंबर 2024, लास्ट वर्साच्यो स्टॅटिस्टिक्स, द डिटेक्शन रेट वॉज 96.6% इन हिनियस क्रायम्स. The overall केसेसांच्या संदर्भात 88% डिटेक्शन रेट आशिल्ली एज पर फिगर्स रिवील्ड बाय द पुलीस डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ द स्टेट. सिमिलरली पयर सप्टेंबरानूच जे फिगर्स आयल्या, which have been also reported in a section of press, you all have reported it, ki 32% dip in crimes on women in the first 8 months of 2025. सो हाजे वयल्यान तुका कळटा की स्टेट यंत्रणा जी आसा, पुलीस फंक्शनींग जे आसा, इज कमिटेड आनी टुवर्ड्स एन्श्युरिंग गोवा इज सेफ, गोवा रिमेन्स सेफ.
अतिशान फिगरय दिली, 97% डिटेक्शन, 98% डिटेक्शन. This is crime investigation. I would rather focus on crime prevention. So I want that everybody should emphasize on crime prevention. Let's work to prevent these crimes.